Happy Thanksgiving! It is Thanksgiving here in Canada. Well, it's Friday going into the Thanksgiving weekend. I think actual Thanksgiving would be Monday, but that's just a Saturday. Anyways, whatever. It's Thanksgiving, and this year we're not going to be hosting our own Thanksgiving. We're just going to be doing a Friendsgiving today. So we're going over to our friend's house, and she's going to be making the turkey, and then we're all kind of bringing different side dishes. So we are going to be bringing the mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and salad, and then I'm going to be making I'm making pumpkin dinner rolls. So they're sort of like Asian milk bread, but like with pumpkin puree in it, so it has like a subtle pumpkin flavor to it. So I already rolled them out, and they're proofing right now in the oven. So yeah, that's it. And then Ken's coming back from the grocery store, so once he comes back, then we can start preparing all the other stuff. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Okay, so what you're gonna do, are you gonna sit over there? Okay. So you're gonna use the brush. Okay, mommy show you the first one, okay? So what you're gonna do is, see how mommy dipped the brush in here? You dip it in here, and then you take some of the egg off. Okay, this egg. Okay, make sure it doesn't dripping. And then you're gonna brush each of the buns, okay? Here.
Thank you. Then where's yours?
Nope, you're gonna do it. You're done brushing all of them. You could sprinkle a little pumpkin seeds on each of them, okay? Lincoln's peeling the potatoes. Beautiful. You did. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the oven. You know how to do this? You press down. Can you press on it? Do it like 5 times.
Make sure you come the same size.
Daddy and Lincoln are cutting the potatoes for the mashed potatoes.
Take your time, watch your fingers so you don't get hurt. Take your time, you don't need to rush it. So watch your fingers.
Got it, buddy. Cheers, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Cheers.
We figured it out. Harder than I can say, girl. Do that. Yes. He doesn't. He has that one.
I don't just let go. My God.
this one? Okay, this one's a nice one. Alright, Amy. Mommy, which one do you want? This is like
What about that one over there?
this guy?
Yeah.
Or this guy?
Yeah, it's nice and round, no?
Alright.
So we're at Ken's Sushi for Mommy and Lincoln Day. And we're eating lunch. And we just got our miso soup. It's really good. Perfect because it's cold out.
Yeah.
Is it hot? Oh! Just flew. It took a blow it because it's hot. And it just went all over the place.
Well, I'm sure you can have those, but not much.
Do it just real water.
That hard water. Or tea. They're too clean. I don't like this.
I shouldn't have put the whole thing in my mouth. I should just take a bite of it. Oh! Drink some water.
Oh.
You burn your tongue out? Drink the water. Drink the water.
But it is.
Is it still hot? Just keep drinking water. We're gonna cool down.
We can eat this.
Okay, so we are going on a walk in the forest. We are at Laurel Creek. And we're starting off with like the 2K trail and maybe extend it to there's like two different 2K trails. So far it's kind of cold. You didn't really dress appropriately. I mean, Lincoln's pretty warm, right? You look pretty warm.
Yeah.
I'm not. I wish I brought a thicker jacket. So hopefully we get warm just by walking. Oh my god, there's a raccoon
It looks so cute.
walking where we want to walk.
These are remember my granddad. I have all of them.
I don't understand this game. So we just made up our own rules. But we're playing.